Hi, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace the door switch on a Whirlpool dryer. Hello again. So the door switch is broken on the Whirlpool dryer. It is a locator right here. New switch cost I think $6 on Amazon. So look on the bottom of the description of my video. I'm gonna give you the link where you can get it. Let me show you how to fix it. First we need to remove the filter. There are two screws over here. We need to remove it first in order for us to open it. Now to open it up to get access to this, there are, I think, clips right here. Now this is the clip that holds it together, so we gotta do the same thing on the other side. Which is over here, and I believe there are two small screws over here. Okay, so we need to push one of the pins to disengage it, and I already can see that I have a light, which means that the harness works. Perfect. Now all you have to do is just put everything back together. So this is how easy it is to fix this switch that costs $5. I've seen on some professional websites this switch for about $35. So again, it's about $6 on Amazon. Check it out on the bottom of my video for the link to the product. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe for more. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.